Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the document and saving a copy so edits are safe. Next, go straight to Insert and choose Page Number. This is the one reliable route. Pick top of page or bottom of page depending on your layout needs. Once placed, click into the header or footer area to view the number. Make sure to leave the cursor where you want consistent numbering, because this method controls every page automatically and prevents manual number mistakes later. Once the number is inserted, use page number right arrow format page numbers to choose numeral style, such as 1, 2, 3, or I, Roman 2, Roman 3, and set the starting value if you need numbering to begin at a specific number. Then adjust alignment, left, center, right, and pick a preset that matches your header/footer design. If the first page is a title, enable different first page. And if you need varying layouts, use different odd and even. This ensures numbering behaves across sections. To complete the process, insert section breaks where numbering or format must change. Then open the header/footer in the new section and click Link to previous to disable it when you want independent numbering. To omit a title page number, enable different first page or start numbering at 0 and format so the following page displays 1. If numbering behaves oddly, the key troubleshooting tip. Inspect each section's header/footer for leftover links and mismatched, start at values, then correct them. This fixes most numbering errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.